Seiko are known for their divers watches, however they also produce a great dress watch in the SNE453P1. My favourite feature of this watch is the face, which has a really nice texture to it. You can see this wavy pattern around the logo, which makes it feel really classy. Featuring a full stainless steel build and sapphire glass, this piece feels great on the wrist and looks the part too. The monochrome colorway is broken up by the blue hands, and I'm loving the Roman numerals at every other hour marking. We do have a date display on this one, which I always appreciate. It's a small feature, but comes in handy way more often than you'd expect it to. It is a fairly big watch with a case diameter of almost 43mm. However, it isn't too thick at just 10.9mm thickness. This watch is solar powered and when fully charged can last for 10 months. So no worries if it sits in a drawer for a few weeks, it'll still be ticking over and ready for your next event. If you like the look of this one, head on over to watchdepot.com.au and snag one while you can.